Weather,
Yeah.
it's just rain, snow,
Yeah.
wet, dry. I like that. Keep it simple.
And Don has a science degree, so
Okay.
we can turn to his expertise, Don.
Well, as far as the snow goes, there's not going to be much to that as we head into the overnight period and tomorrow morning. As a matter of fact, I've upped the overnight lows a little bit to the mid-30s as opposed to 32, but there will be still some of those colder than normal areas where might be a couple of slick spots on an untreated back road. Rainfall still popping up every now and then, and most of that, of course, heads into western Pennsylvania. But behind that, there's not much left except for the fact there might be a little bit of drizzle, maybe a couple of wet snowflakes later tonight when the temperatures drop back into the mid-30s as we head into the early morning hours. And look at these temps. They have not fallen more than a couple of degrees since you and I talked at 6 o'clock. Akron down to 42, 41 in Canton right now, so that the leading edge of the colder air is gradually heading this direction. But look at Hubbard, 49 degrees, 46 at Vienna. That's actually the airport temperature. 46 Columbiana, 46 down in East Liverpool as well. 48 and 35 officially up at the airport today, 47.29 for normals. And it's still 46 at the airport, humidity at 82%. And one of the reasons why the temp hasn't fallen much is it's still a little blustery out there. Winds out of the west at 16 miles an hour. And you'll also note 46 degrees here at the station in Boardman. A little over 1/4 of an inch of rain since midnight up at the airport, and right at 1/3 of an inch here at the station since midnight. So scattered light showers or drizzle, still spotty stuff overnight. Maybe a couple of wet snowflakes as we head up in the mid-30s by daybreak. 40 tomorrow, might be a little sunshine around, but that might take a while to happen. Still think there'll probably be enough clouds around in the morning to kind of support a little bit of drizzle or maybe a couple of wet snowflakes here and there. Tomorrow night, partly cloudy, 23 by daybreak on Friday. Warm up Friday as a warm front comes through, and it could generate a few afternoon rain showers, 47 for a high on Friday. Behind that system, cold enough with 35 by Saturday morning for a couple of wet snowflakes or maybe a few raindrops around. Right now, Sunday and Monday looking dry, but certainly cooler than normal. Only the low 30s both days. Mid-30s both Tuesday and Wednesday, and another chance for, once again, a little bit of snow.